right, you ready, buddy? Filbert's coming. Hi, buddy. You want to make your prediction? You know, approach the podium, Filbert. Right there. Carrot. Oh. All right. Oh. Is this your prediction, Filbert? Your prediction is all the food. Filbert went for this one first, so I think this is his prediction for the year. See what kind of weather we're gonna have. Oh, looks like Filbert's predicting an early spring. Okay. Filbert, I hope you're right.
Not making a prediction. Filbert has not passed the weather predicting skills.
Billy, Filbert, Filbert.
No.
See if we're interested in making a prediction. I think that's a no.